Welcome to the Sacred Ground podcast. I am Fabi, your host. As we step into sacred ground, this is a space for spiritual seekers, starseeds, and soul-led entrepreneurs who are ready to deepen their connection with themselves, their spirit guides, and their purpose. This podcast blends practical guidance, intuitive insights, and transformational conversations to support you as you navigate your spiritual journey. Each episode explores the themes of awakening, healing, transformation, and discovering your galactic and soul-led purpose. Expect real talk, guided practices, journal prompts, and stories from the edge of spiritual growth, all designed to help you feel seen, supported, and empowered. Whether you're navigating the early stages of awakening, moving through spiritual crisis, or stepping into your cosmic mission, Sacred Ground offers a safe, grounded, and soul-aligned container for clarity, connection, and growth. Tune in to explore spiritual awakening and intuitive development, gain tools and practices to stay grounded through transformation, connect with stories and insights from like-minded seekers, and deepen your trust in your intuition and your spiritual guidance. This is your invitation to sit, reflect, and grow, one episode at a time. Sacred Ground is where your journey meets support, clarity, and community. Welcome. Let's get started. Welcome to the guided meditation to find self. This is a step-by-step guide to inner harmony. This practice of self-discovery is designed to help you reconnect with your inner self, the calm, compassionate, and wise essence that lives within you. This meditation will guide you through recognizing emotions, engaging with supportive energy, and working with spiritual guides to deepen your connection with your authentic self. Take your time with each step, moving through the practice at your own pace. If you need to pause or return to any part later, trust that the process is unfolding exactly as it should. Each time you engage with these steps, you come closer to uncovering the essence of who you are, an essence that has always been with you. Take your time, trust the process, and know that every step you take is part of your unique journey towards inner harmony. So let's begin. Step 1 is all about awareness and regulation. What we want to do is, when you are activated, I want you to recognize your activation. Start by acknowledging any emotions, triggers present at this moment. Name them silently to yourself without judgment. Next, I want you to regulate yourself. Engage in a grounding practice, such as deep breathing, stretching, or gentle movement, until you feel balanced and can think and feel clearly. Step 2, we're going to ground your energy by connecting with your breath. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Don't try to control or change it. Just observe the natural rhythm and pattern of your breathing. Next, I want you to imagine yourself as a tree. Your body forms the sturdy trunk of this tree. Your arms and hair become the branches and the leaves spreading out around you. Picture 2 deep roots emerging from the soles of your feet. Feel them extending downwards, burrowing down deep into the earth's core, grounding you with every breath. As your roots reach to the center of the earth, imagine drawing its nourishing energy upwards towards your roots, legs, trunk with each inhale. On each exhale, visualize energy flowing out from your branches and leaves, releasing it into the sky. With every breath, you create a loop, a continuous loop drawing energy from the earth, flowing it upwards and out, sending it back down through your body into the earth's core. Allow yourself to feel held and supported by this flow, rooted in your tree of life, which represent your connection to both Earth and Source and your energy field. Step 3 is we want to clearly identify and clarify your energy. So first, in your mind's eye, I want you to imagine stepping outside of your body, standing in front of the tree that we just visualized. This tree is a reflection of your energy. I want you to picture calling on a masculine guide, any masculine guide you feel connected to. You can call on Yahweh, Archangel Michael, Yeshua, and ask them to stand beside you, ready to help you define and protect your energy. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your energy to soften and relax. Visualize your guide wrapping a protective bubble of energy around you, your tree of life, enclosing everything within the sacred space. Breathe deeply, and as you exhale, imagine a beam of divine violet light descending from above. See this light entering through the top of your bubble, illuminating and filling your space with divine energy, love, and protection. Step 4 is an invocation of your guides and divine protection. If this is a part of your practice, you can follow along with this invocation in your head or out loud. If this is not part of your practice, you can just revoke the invocation. We're going to invite your guides and open your space to divine support and protection by saying the following invocation. I call on all my guides, big and small, to protect me from any harm. May loving source energy flow through me and everyone here, there and everywhere. In the name, the love, the light of our one true Creator, and so it is. The next step is to make space. We're going to call in and identify and engage with the triggered parts. I want you to ask yourself, what part of me is activated right now? Ask that part to show itself in any way, shape, or form it wants to. How old is this part? What is something that you can do to help this part right now? Does this part need anything from self to feel safe? Take note of how this part presents itself. Is it fearful? Is it angry? Does it want to engage with you? Ask probing questions around what will make this part feel safer in this moment. Listen without judgment and offer this part compassion. You might place a hand on your heart to let it know that you're here. You might give it a hug. I want you to call in Mary Magdalene, Mother Mary, or Archangel Chamuel to assist in providing this part with any safety, support, and energetic offerings that they may need. Gently ask these parts to step back so you can move into self. The goal with this is that eventually we would want these parts to integrate with self. However, this process takes time and support from a guide. Step 6 is a healing divine light in meditation. So in your next inhale, imagine bright white light filling your lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize this light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being with divine white flames. I want you to repeat this for 3 to 4 breaths. With an inhale, imagine bright light filling your lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize this light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being in divine white flames. Let's do that again. On an inhale, imagine bright white light filling your lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize the light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being in divine white flames. Silently or out loud, I want you to invoke the presence of your higher self. Repeat after me. I call on my Adonai, I am presence, to guide me in my search for self. Please help me embody the energy of pure self, free from all energetic blockages, and so it is. Next, we're going to continue with our breathing, and this time we will do violet light. So again, on your next inhale, imagine violet light filling your lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize this light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being with divine violet flames. Repeating this 4 to 6 times. Breathing in, imagining violet light filling your lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize this light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being in divine violet flames. Again, on your next inhale, imagine violet light filling your entire lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. On your exhale, visualize this bright light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being with divine violet flames. Let's do that 2 more times. On an inhale, imagine violet light filling your lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize this light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being with divine violet flames. One last time, on an inhale, imagine violet light filling your lungs and spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize this light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being in divine violet flames. On your next inhale, I want you to imagine golden light filling your lungs and spreading through your entire body before concentrating in your heart. As you exhale, visualize this light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being with divine golden flames. Repeat this 4 to 6 times. Again, inhaling golden light, filling your lungs, spreading through your entire body before concentrating on your heart. As you exhale, visualize the light bursting from your heart, enveloping your entire being in divine golden flames. Repeat this 4 more times on your own, at your own pace. When you're done, I want you to gather all energies that no longer serves you into your heart. On your exhale, see them burst outwards, returning to the earth or source to be transmuted. Visualize the golden energy of the divine ray of Christ consciousness flowing into your body, filling the vacuum created by this release with healing light. Staying with this visualization for as long as it feels right. When you're ready, the last step here is the closing meditation, energy, integration, and anchoring. I want you to begin by gently tuning back into your breath, simply observing your natural rhythm. Next, I want you to shift your awareness to your root chakra, located at the base of your spine, visualizing it as a glowing red ball of light or energy. As you breathe in, notice the red light gently expanding with each inhale and softening with each exhale. With each breath, allow the red light to grow larger, eventually surrounding your entire causal body. This is the subtle energy layer surrounding you. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch and notice how you feel. Ground yourself by pressing your feet into the floor, touching something tangible, like your desk or fabric of your clothes. That concludes our guided meditation to self. I hope this practice was supportive for you during this time, and feel free to come back to it whenever you feel activated or triggered